Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about what is multiple inheritance and whether Java will support multiple inheritance or not. If not, why Java does not support multiple inheritance. Already in our previous video, we have discussed single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance in Java. So if you haven't watched those videos, the link is available in the description. So please watch that videos also so that you will be getting more idea on various types of inheritance. Now let us get into this video. So first we'll understand what is multiple inheritance. So by seeing the slide itself, easily you can guess if one subclass is getting property from more than one base class, then I can say it is the multiple inheritance. You can look at this scenario. A son will get a characters from father as well as mother. So finally son is a subclass and he is getting a functionality from father as well as mother. So finally, you can look at the syntax. I'm just converting the same scenario into syntax. I have a superclass called father and I have another class called mother. You can look at the son class. In son class, I'm extending father as well as mother class. Finally, as per the son class, I have two superclass. One is father as well as mother. So this is nothing but multiple inheritance. So in a single word, in a single sentence, if the subclass is having more than one superclass or if the subclass is getting a functionality from more than one superclass, then I will say it is a multiple inheritance. So this is a concept about multiple inheritance. But in case of Java, Java does not support multiple inheritance. So we cannot achieve multiple inheritance in Java. So this syntax will not work. If I write this syntax in Java, it will be throwing the error. It will say that a class son cannot extend more than one superclass. So this syntax is not allowed in Java. So that's why I can say Java does not support multiple inheritance. So now we will be getting a question. In case of C++ programming, multiple inheritance is possible. So why Java is not supporting multiple inheritance? We'll see that in the next slide. You can look at this slide. I have a superclass 1 and superclass 2. It has a common subclass. Let it be subclass. You can look at my variable declaration. I'm just trying to take a very simple scenario. In superclass, I have a variable A. In superclass 1, I have a variable A. Its value is 10. In superclass 2, I have a variable with same name A, but the value is 20. If multiple inheritance is possible, the subclass will get property from superclass 1 as well as superclass 2 if multiple inheritance is possible. So if multiple inheritance is possible in subclass, as per this scenario, I will get two copy of A. So one from superclass 1, another copy from superclass 2. So now in the subclass, if I try to display the value of A, system.out.println A. So definitely my compiler will get confused whether I have to call a from superclass 1 or superclass 2. Yes, this subclass is getting a functionality from superclass 1 as well as superclass 2. I'm getting copy from both superclass. So now in this scenario, definitely the compiler will throw the ambiguous error. Yes, compiler will get confused whether I have to display the value of a from superclass 1 or superclass 2. To overcome this scenario, in C++, they are using a concept virtual base class. So to overcome this ambiguity issue in C++, they are using a concept virtual base class to ensure only one copy or to avoid this ambiguity issue. If Java is also want to support multiple inheritance like C++, then in Java also I need a virtual base class concept. In C++, they are achieving multiple inheritance and they are avoiding this ambiguity issue with the help of virtual base class. The same thing if I want to achieve in Java, again I have to come with another concept. I have to add a virtual base class concept in my Java to achieve this multiple inheritance. But the main aim of Java is what? Java must be simpler than C++. So the main aim of Java is they want to remove the complex concept from C++. So Java must be simple than your C++. So that's why in Java they have removed pointer. So there is no operator overloading and there is no multiple inheritance and there is no this one friend function. So they have removed all the complex concept so that Java will become simple than your C++. So finally, they in Java they don't want to add virtual base class concept. If they are adding virtual base class concept, again it will be similar to C++. So they don't want to add that. So that's why what they have done, due to this ambiguity issue, simply they have removed multiple inheritance from Java. Since there is no multiple inheritance in Java, ultimately or obviously there is no need of virtual base class concept. Hope friends, clear? So this is the reason Java is not supporting multiple inheritance. So now you may get another question. In a particular situation, if I want to achieve multiple inheritance, then what is the solution? Yes, for that one, Java is providing option interface. Java does not support multiple inheritance in class, but we can achieve the multiple inheritance by using interface. And interface, they are providing a mechanism to overcome this ambiguity issue. So finally, don't forgetting Java does not support multiple inheritance because of this ambiguity issue, but we can achieve with the help of interface. In interface, they have provided a mechanism to overcome this ambiguity issue without using virtual base class concept. So that's the plus point here. Without using virtual base class concept, I can achieve multiple inheritance by using interface. So maybe in our upcoming videos, we will talk about interfaces. So that time I can explain how they are achieving multiple inheritance by using interface and how they are uh, overcoming this ambiguity issue without using virtual base class. Maybe in our upcoming videos, we will discuss interface and interface with multiple inheritance. So hope friends, so we are clear about why Java does not support multiple inheritance and what is the solution. So we have a solution with the help of interface. Yes, I can achieve multiple inheritance. So thanks friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that as soon as I upload the new video, you will be getting the notification. Also, you can share it with your friends.